love.
Only because you ain't here.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm revealing the results of my heatless curls for my birthday live. A huge shout out to everyone that was on that live. I had such an amazing time celebrating with you all. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out that live too after this video. It was such a good time. So I only had the Kitsch curling set barrels in my hair for about an hour and a half, give or take. Honestly, I kind of lost track of time because of the live. But after it ended, I left them in for about, hey beauties, I got some exciting news. Channel memberships are here. When you join, you'll get access to exclusive perks like fun challenges, more in-depth hair care tips, behind the scenes content, personalized advice, product discounts, and so much more. This is our special space to connect on a deeper level, share our hair journeys, and grow together as a true beauty community. So don't miss out. Hit that join button today and let's level up our hair care journey together. Link in the description and comment section. 30 more minutes before heading out to grab me some Chili's. I was a little hungry. If you know, you know. So overall, they were in for about an hour and a half.
Join the membership today, don't hesitate. Exclusive perks are worth the wait. Fun challenges to elevate your hair care game top rate. Tutorials to guide your way. Behind the scenes we share each day. Personalized tips we convey. Come join us now, don't turn away. Come be part of something new. Our special community waits for you. Click join and let your dreams shine through. Together we'll make your hair care true. More advice to keep you strong, accurate tips to sing along, challenges to prove you belong. With us is where you'll grow lifelong. Tutorials to guide your way. Behind the scenes we share.
If you're enjoying my content so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.
Come join us now, don't turn away. Come be part of something new. Our special community waits for you. Click join and let your tree shine through. Together we'll make your hair care true.
I really loved the outcome, especially considering it only set for less than 2 hours. It gave me a beautiful loose curl wave pattern, and I honestly enjoyed it so much. The Kitsch Heatless Curling Set definitely made me a happy birthday girl. It's such a safe and easy way to curl your hair without any heat damage worries. And let me just say, the Amika lightweight styling oil is everything. It smells amazing and kept my hair feeling light. It helped me stay humidity free. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care. And if you'd like to go the extra mile, consider joining the channel membership. It truly supports the channel and will make an amazing birthday gift too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Swan Melange shares the light. Healthy hair tips shining bright. Affirmations make it right. Guiding beauties.
Be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.
Positivity overflows. Worth is more than skin deep. Mind and soul in harmony keep. Healthy hair and healthy mind. Body, soul all intertwined.